You're enjoying being in the shed, aren't you?
Yeah.
Quick, hurry! Go! It's alright, you can get out! The door is locked! Oh! Colin, you broke the lock! Hello?
Let me out, please.
No!
Pizza delivery service. Can you let me in so I can give you a pizza?
Yeah, I can let you in, but I can't let you out. Time for a great ending. Ready?
Let me out.
Did you enjoy that, Colin? Look at that disturbed face. If this disturbs you, then walk away.